Hey, honk if anything falls off. Look at this. It's a rat rod. See what he's got in there. It's got a bedpan. On top it says rest in peace. I can't see what it says year this is. What year is this? Does it say?
55 Ford.
It's 55 Ford. Oh, there it is. Look, there's a manual down there. It's got a duck in the seat.
I think I saw it. I think I saw it. Would it go this year?
Look, it says baby on board.
16, 14.
And there's a baby stuck to that, baby doll stuck to that board. At least got a bed frame back here. There's all kind of stuff. Oh, license plates.
That hubcap's got Packard head cap or
Is that what he's got? What's this
Mash.
one? Mash.
Mash.
That one's a Packard.
Rare hubcaps.
Look at these lights. They're lanterns.
Wow.
It's got a kid's tractor on there. It says stop. Honk if anything falls off. That must be funny. Somebody's got a good sense of humor.
They take it down on the Mississippi Gulf Coast car show thing.
Oh, there's the rat. Let's look and see if I can find the rat. There he is. He's a skeleton.
Pencil sharpener.
Poor guy. Oh, there's a pencil sharpener there.
Electric insulator.
He's got some cool stuff. Whoever done it. Maybe a she. Don't know. Bull horns on the front.